Ngayon, bibili po kami ng Jonas. I'm using G7 camera Canon.
Huwag ka mayabang dyan. Nag-rent ka lang. Magtuwalya ka. Ayoko na ganyan kasama.
Ito guys, dyan. Highway na yan ng Boracay. Highway na siya ng Boracay and huwag kayo sasakay sa walang laman kasi sisingilid kayo ng mahal. Doon kayo sumakay sa kahit may isang tao para 15 pesos only. We do.
Dito pala tayo kung
No, it's not. Kuya, paano kami sasakay? Keep going. Here. And now we're going to station 2. We're going to DV Mall. Bibili kami ng Jonas fruit shake. Be! Yan look guys. He's a high blood again, like a senior citizen. Others say that seabird is ugly. Sabi sa Agoda guys. But I don't know. I only stay in Mandarin White Sand. Look, look, look.
Alo,
Kaya kami ate nagpunta ng Boracay para sa avocado. Guys, we're here at Jonas Fruit Shake Station 2. Guys, tignan nyo kung gaano kaputi yung sand. It's so pretty. Look.
buko shake to kaya.
Yung buko chicken. Mango na lang din. Bali, tatlong mango. 1,400. Ay, nakita ba? Here. Bago mo.